Hello, and a warm welcome to Smart Tech, where we decode the language of heavy machinery and explore the future of agriculture technology. Let's move on to the low-loader Panther Series 2, designed and manufactured for the mining industry with safety and ease of operation in mind. The overall carrying capacity of this advanced beast is quite substantial. Moreover, it can be customized for specific sets of earth-moving and mining equipment, as well as for particular conditions at the mine. Meet Avo, the autonomous weeding robot that delivers targeted herbicide applications without requiring any effort on your part. It's solar-powered and precisely sprays your crops while using 95% less herbicide. It's equipped with a four-wheel drive system that allows you to overcome obstacles and work on slopes. The Tesmec 1475 XL Evo Chainsaw Trencher is a cutting-edge machine designed for efficient and precision trenching operations. The machine utilizes a high-performance chainsaw attachment specifically designed for trenching applications. The chainsaw trencher features a large, high-speed cutting chain that effectively slices through various types of soil, rocks, and other materials encountered during trenching. The chainsaw system allows for precise and controlled cutting depths, ensuring accurate trench dimensions and reducing the need for additional excavation. The M20 is a self-propelled agricultural machine for harvesting burley tobacco plants, which is designed to be stored on frames directly on the farm plot rather than in a tobacco dryer. This tobacco harvester is self-propelled, has four-wheel drive. Its rear wheels are hydraulically controlled, and a hydro-volume transmission is present. The belt conveyor for waste removal is located under the lathe or cutting machine. Advantages include an automatic transmission chain tensioner, the presence of vision cameras and LED work lights, and an adjustable forward speed limiter. The harvesting speed is up to 2 hectares per day, depending on planting density. There's a comfortable and spacious cab with air conditioning for the operator. Maximum machine speed, 6 miles per hour in field mode and 16 miles per hour on public roads. Bucketmouth has been involved in land management, farmland preparation, and major landscaping operations around the world for over 10 years. Their TSG 1000 series mulcher actually adds to the profitability of companies that utilize such systems. As you have already realized, this tractor is used specifically for mulching. At the front of the cab is the roller, and it moves on a tracked base. There are spiral-shaped spikes on the shaft. It works at high speed. From the surface, it can shred stumps up to 2 feet in diameter and up to 3.2 feet high. The shaft can also go into the ground up to a distance of 1 foot deep. Incidentally, the shaft is 8.2 feet wide. The unit runs on diesel fuel with a capacity of 270 liters. Also, the miller has been tested on 30,000 acres at a speed of 1.25 miles per hour. The new Tomahawk straw chopper is used for chopping straw and the ability to spread it up to 400 inches. This model utilizes fixed and rotating blades to cut dry material into fractions of approximately 30 to 50 millimeters in length. The length of the fraction can be easily varied by installing a sieve with a mesh of the desired diameter. The Tomahawk drum-type model is economical, simple, and reliable in use. The machine has no gearbox. The rotor drive is connected directly to the tractor, and a hydraulic motor is used to rotate the drum. Thanks to its simplicity and robustness, all users can count on a long service life of the machine. This is what the ideal primary ripper should look like, designed to help farmers remediate difficult soils characterized by stratification, extremely hard soil, rocks, or stumps. The Roxgon H4 hydraulic refiner was developed in Western Australia specifically to help alleviate all of these soil depth limitations and increase crop and pasture productivity. The machine has a working width of 3 meters and typically operates at speeds of 10 to 13 kilometers per hour. Some of the rocks it crushes can have a hardness of about 70 megapascals, which is much denser than good concrete. In most agricultural situations, 3 to 5 passes are required. One of the largest chain trenchers in the world is in front of you, and it's the famous Next Trencher. It's designed for laying large diameter pipes and digging deep trenches. It is powered by an 800 horsepower diesel engine. As for the width of the trench, which can be laid by this machine, it ranges from 12 to 150 centimeters, and its depth can be up to 6 meters. The multi-row eco-weeder operates by using a series of rotating brushes to remove weeds from the soil surface. The machine can be adjusted to accommodate different crop types and row spacing, making it a versatile tool for weed control in a variety of agricultural settings. It's also designed to work in a variety of soil conditions and can be used in both dry and wet conditions. You see a true heavyweight of space, an outstanding piece of equipment designed exclusively for transporting massive radio telescopes. The 130-ton machine, named the ALMA Transporter, was created in such a way that it not only boasts the enormous size and carrying capacity, but is also incredibly delicate, smooth, and safe. After all, it had to transport astronomically expensive components that could not afford any damage. No other horizontal wood sander would save you the headaches of dealing with load restrictions and allow as much as the CBI Magnum Force Model 5800 BT portable sander. This portable horizontal grinder was designed along the same lines as the proven 6800 BT grinder, but is specifically built for contractors dealing with transportation limitations. The Magnum Force grinder is suitable for waste and demolition businesses and mulching applications where high productivity and maximum reliability are required. The model features a high lift top roller for easy maintenance, high torque, a hydrostatic feeding system, and Caterpillar engine. In front of you is a Matterhorn Gotthard Bond Tunnel rescue vehicle. And let me be bold, this unique project sets new standards for safety in tunnels. The first vehicle is a passenger vehicle. The vehicle will be operated in a paired mode with a fire road railroad vehicle and an ambulance car. By the way, the vehicles will operate 24/7, so they will be ready to enter the tunnel in case of an emergency anytime. The vehicles can move both in coupled and single mode, so no locomotive is required. If you're growing juicy tomatoes on large acreage, it's time to reduce harvest time and labor costs with a powerful Pick-Right tomato harvester in the new HC290 model. This high-performance machine has been carefully designed and engineered to provide you with the equipment to harvest 60 to 80 tons of tomatoes per hour. With many modern advantages, this versatile tomato harvester will help you significantly increase your return on investment. You can rest assured. The best-in-class tri-prop model is a proven design that delivers superior directional spray penetration and coverage. With exceptional build quality, quiet, efficient operation, and ease of maintenance, it's no wonder these sprayers are leading machines in many countries around the world. Standard features of the Kirkland triple propeller sprayer are as follows. 1,000, 1,500, and 2,000-liter tank sizes are available. Tower heights are 8.8 and 9.5 feet. Triple fans, 2-speed fan reducer, dual nozzle housings, 140 GPM Comet 5 diaphragm pump, 2 brass pressure filter housings, heavy-duty wide-angle drive shaft, full road lighting, adjustable axle and drawbar, clean water tank, and separate hand-washing tank as standard. The manufacturer also made a fully galvanized and painted steel construction for long life. Gus Herbicide is an autonomous robotic sprayer designed to revolutionize the management of today's gardens. Developed by Gus Automation, it combines advanced weed detection technology, labor reduction capabilities, and a commitment to environmental sustainability to address the challenges faced by today's growers. Gus Herbicide utilizes a sophisticated weed detection system with 9 sensors that accurately identify, target, and spot spray weeds on the garden floor. By integrating this advanced technology, this technique ensures precise herbicide application, minimizing material use and drift during the application process. This benefits the environment and increases safety for both the operator and the product itself. Digging the soil with a tracker is a common practice in agriculture for various purposes, such as planting, plowing, harvesting, and landscaping. The tractor is equipped with a suitable attachment, such as a plow, cultivator, or harrow, depending on the desired outcome. The attachment is connected to the tractor's hydraulic system, which powers the attachment and allows for adjustment of the depth and angle of the blade. Oxbow designed the 7450 as a high-performance top-loading harvester for gardeners with high yields and large bushes. The machine can harvest many crops, including blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. With the new Dynarotor Max picking system, the 7450 can pick more ripe fruit with each pass. A larger tunnel, wider neck, and wider belts improve throughput and product storage, even with high-tonnage varieties. And to increase travel speed, the manufacturer used a new high-efficiency ground drive. If you grow nuts and fruits that cannot be shaken to the ground, the Shockwave Catch-All X from OMC is your best solution. This machine will help you fully shake the tree and harvest the product with quality. At the heart of each half of the Catch-All X system is a 3.8-liter Cummins Series V-turbo diesel engine with 148 horsepower on the shaker side and 121 horsepower on the receiver side. The receiver half of the system features a deflector, a main conveyor, and a transfer conveyor that can be unloaded at a 45 or 90-degree angle at your choice. The shaker half of the system comes standard with a deflector and OMC's new R5 Magnum shaker head. Now you see a functional and reliable machinery for all phases of peat extraction. Developed and manufactured in Finland, Meri Peat products have been improved over time in line with customer requirements to offer durable and efficient peat production equipment. Special attention has been paid to the harsh working conditions typical of the peat production industry, and the short but intensive periods when the machines have to work around the clock on almost all continents. This is why Sakon has developed functional and powerful machinery for all phases of milled peat extraction, including cutters, harrows, harrowers, perching machines, loaders, and trailers. These machines are durable and efficiently produce high-quality peat, day in and day out. With the multi-clean mulching brushes fitted to the Twin Peaks from Clemens, you have the opportunity to remove shoots and at the same time control weeds in the root zone without disturbing the soil structure. The multi-clean is characterized by a particularly low vibration level and has extremely strong and smooth strings that are gentle on the vines. Different sizes are available for different applications. Not all cabbage is suitable for machine harvesting. The cabbages must be uniform in shape and size and be high enough above the soil surface. After Bungener Schuder took all these points into account, it developed its new single-row cabbage harvester, the KVE 1.8, with a large-capacity side hopper. The machine is perfectly suited for harvesting white and red cabbage for further processing. Example, sauerkraut. You haven't seen road construction equipment like this before. Believe me. Before you is the outstanding model Next Trencher D250. Essentially, it's a disc trencher mounted on an excavator. It allows for the construction of trenches up to 80 centimeters long and 12 to 25 centimeters wide. And the machine's appearance is quite unique as well. The Nexat Revolution is the world's first integrated crop production system. It combines all stages of work that previously required a wide range of agricultural equipment into one single system. The focus is on the powerful wide-format carrier machine with interchangeable implements that can perform tillage, seeding, crop protection, and harvesting tasks using modular attachments. Modules can be changed by one person in just 10 minutes, and the process will be fully automated in the near future. The Nexat generators are currently powered by two 550 horsepower diesel engines with independent electric drive. As each module is integrated, its weight is transferred to the vehicle and optimized so that it essentially becomes a self-propelled machine. This allows the attachment to be driven more precisely and with less slippage, significantly reducing fuel consumption and CO2 emissions. The CR400 self-propelled tracked harvester makes it easy to harvest parsnips in difficult conditions. Anti-slip track steering ensures the combine rides consistently in extreme conditions, while the plowshare section digs the crop out of hard soil. The Coulter grid has a special blade with square holes to improve soil separation throughout the machine, while hydraulic shakers improve soil distribution. The rear section platform holds up to 3 boxes and hydraulically rotates the new box under the depositor. You see an all-electric self-leveling crawler telescopic boom with electric drive, powered by fully retractable battery power packs. Designed to clear obstacles on the job site, it has a fairly high working height with a side and longitudinal tilt of 15 degrees, greatly increasing efficiency, productivity, and operator safety. The machine has a completely redesigned controller to simplify the user experience, featuring a pinch protection bar and easy-to-use joysticks. The AES pinch protection system is designed to prevent serious injury by stopping the machine when the operator presses against it. The machine can also have an ultrasonic collision avoidance system, an optional kit that can be ordered for the Jibby 1890 Primo series. The Jibby 1250 EVO model is the same crawler telescopic hoist that works on the same principle. The only difference is that its performance is slightly lower than that of the 1890 Primo model. The SC200G can be optimally used on trucks with a minimum gross vehicle weight of 10 tons. Due to the ease of use of the equipment, it's suitable for vehicle recovery and transportation. The special design of the unit consists of a tilting and removable platform with 190-degree rotation. Optionally, a slewing crane complete with fixed or adjustable balance beam can be installed behind the cab for lifting and loading vehicles. The rear telescopic hydraulic rear fork, available in 1.5-ton, 2-ton, or 2.5-ton versions, allows for towing damaged cars and trucks with the axle raised. Brower's RoboMax JD Turf Picker's simple robotic stacking system, RoboMax JD, neatly moves 4 or 5 rolls of turf at a time onto rear-mounted pallets that are easily moved with a forklift. An optional double-sided pallet injector is also available. The combine is incredibly easy to operate and maintain, which is nothing short of amazing. Masano machines allow farmers in agricultural areas with heavy stone contamination to use their land like never before. The RSC 250 model of the extreme modification successfully handles large stones by digging them to a depth of 25 to 35 centimeters, removing only the fertile soil on top. The model is available with a smoothing roller or sharpener, and additional attachments can be added. The Degelman Strawmaster Pro Series is a revolutionary machine designed for both straw and light tillage. With 30-inch tines arranged in 4 rows, this machine outperforms any competitor. The technique easily chops straw, destroys weeds, rakes flax straw, applies seed and chemicals, or even performs light tillage. You're looking at a seedbed preparation machine which is characterized by a robust and compact design and is ideal for loosening hardened soil crusts, crop residue, particularly effective against maize residue, and for weed control in different crops and soils. Gutler Matador can be used all year round, even on wet and sticky soil. The working tool breaks the crust effectively, thanks to its unusual shape. Then the ground is thrown upwards, and all weeds and crop residue are pulled to the surface and remain lying on top, drying out in the sun and open air. By the way, the working width of the machine is 242 inches. For more than 2 decades, the durability and reliability of Oxbow coffee harvesters have enabled the highest quality coffee to be harvested while reducing labor and production costs. This model of harvester allows farmers to harvest more efficiently and comfortably, as well as to work in the harshest conditions. Benefits include a gentle picking system and a large standard basket for more productive days. The proven Dyna-rotor picking head and large tunnel with high shaking rotors ensure efficient and productive harvesting of coffee beans. The 2-fan cleaning system ensures cleaner loading, and the front-mounted rotors pick faster with a greater yield. The renowned Grimm Company offers you its new development and pride, the Veritron 470. It's a self-propelled 4-row harvester for large-scale potato harvesting, which can be equipped with various separating devices. The 7-ton non-stop hopper always uses its effective capacity thanks to the surrounding hopper belt. In addition, various automatic cleaning systems, adjustable from the optional comfort cab, ensure the best possible driving comfort. It's a radish harvester designed and manufactured by Univerco, a Canadian company specializing in the production of agricultural equipment. It's equipped with a series of oscillating blades that cuts the radish from the soil. The machine then conveys the radish up a series of cleaning belts, which remove any dirt or debris from the root vegetables. You see the Pecan gull-wing dual-tire system. The creation of this extraordinary technique was inspired by the desire for dual wheels and the need to comply with road width regulations. Pecan developed a special gull-wing system that detaches both rear duals and lifts them above the tractor for transportation. When the machine arrives in the field, the operator can fold the wheels without leaving the cab. The doubles are quickly attached to the rear wheels with a special coupling system. Coupling plates ensure that the tires are truly aligned correctly when changing from working to field mode, and then they're screwed into place. And the transition to transport mode takes only 20 to 30 seconds. The company manufacturing snow removal machines wanted to find out what would happen if they put one of their machines against 100 pumpkins. As expected, the results were terrifyingly destructive. The equipment quickly dealt with the pumpkins, spraying pieces over a considerable distance. By the way, the pumpkins used in the experiment were defective and would have simply rotted in the field if they hadn't been selected for a meeting with the snowplow. The multi-axle soil loosener and manure spreader from Nunn Industries is a real tank of large capacity with unbeatable maneuverability and flotation. Such an innovative novelty has an electronic control system, which greatly simplifies its use. Since its appearance in the agricultural industry, its simple and rugged design has gained popularity in the market, both because of its unpretentiousness in maintenance and its absolute reliability. The machine is available in several capacity configurations, ranging from 10,000 to 16,000 gallons. See for yourself how confidently and efficiently this powerful machine performs in the field. This harvester is based on the principle of a single system. It uses the continuous harvesting method, i.e., the trees are harvested continuously without pauses. For this purpose, the machine is equipped with a shaker, which also works continuously. A special electro-hydraulic mechanism controls the process. Thus, after this operation, the fruit does not fall to the ground, as a special umbrella helps in this process. From the machine side and from the umbrella, the fruit is extracted through a special seal installed on the central conveyor belt. The combine has a chassis with a high and controlled level of cross-suspension, allowing for adaptation to more difficult areas. The operator can perform and control all machine functions from the cab. All working processes of the machine are performed electro-hydraulically. Manitou has released a new telehandler with a total lift capacity of 25 tons with a maximum lift height of 36 feet. A wide range of equipment can be mounted on this machine: forks, winch, hook, positioner, shovel, man basket, and tire clamps, cylinders and pipes. With its technical and ergonomic characteristics, the loader stands out from similar machines from other manufacturers. This model is characterized by an improved engine and transmission, as well as an updated cabin and high operator comfort. The new cab is soundproofed and has improved all-around visibility thanks to the curved design of the front windshield. And this is the most compact crane in the Spearings product line. Its compact design with a width of only 2.55 meters and a total length of just 13.08 meters means that the truck can easily maneuver. This crane has proven itself well in urban conditions, occupying an area of less than 10 meters. The maximum outrigger base measures are 7,250 by 7,200 millimeters. Definitely impressive specifications. As every year, at the beginning of winter, Otto Gruber Maschinenbau is busy creating a cross-country ski course. Its snow cannons create artificial snow, which is then spread by a manure spreader, distributed and prepared by a snowplow. The Gruber SM 850 manure spreader is used here. Gruber's fine spreading system, which has already proven itself in spreading stable manure, is also good at spreading snow. And let me tell you, it's a pleasure to watch this workflow. Wouldn't you agree? Wilson Supermove gives you the opportunity to make bale transport highly efficient, safe, and gentle. No more loading vehicles or flatbed trailers. No more wasting time securing loads. Supermove will revolutionize your bale handling. Thanks to the cleverly detailed design of the conveyor, you will significantly reduce your equipment and personnel costs, and at the same time protect the environment. With the patented Supermove trailer technology, you can pick up round bales without damaging the film. Additional axle and tire options will effectively save you from scarring the ground. Every part of the trailer is manufactured directly by the manufacturer, allowing you to realize high-quality standards. Supermove will serve you reliably for years to come. With PickRight's HydroRam HR250 spreader, you'll always have the right equipment to carry up to 250 bushels of heavy-duty fertilizer or manure in paddocks. In this case, we're looking at a pumpkin. The HR250 features heavy-duty vertical hammers that provide a superior spreading pattern. A powerful gearbox drives both beaters, and a hydraulic push system ensures long-lasting performance. Two-stage hydraulic push technology carries the front of the load, which significantly reduces compaction and optimizes the spreading pattern. The aggressively shaped double curvature hydraulic cylinder fits tightly over the vertical beaters for optimal cleaning at the end of the load. Quick-release whiskers provide versatility for stacking and other applications. It's time for your spreading equipment to work as hard as you do. The Deco 1 is a compact and versatile machine that can process up to 160 heads of lettuce per hour. It's designed to efficiently remove the core of the lettuce and cut it into uniform pieces of the desired size and shape. The machine is easy to operate and can be adjusted to meet the specific needs of each user. One of the key features of the Deco 1 is its ability to reduce waste. Avanti C360 is mainly used for direct harvesting of peanuts, corn, and beans, the perfect all-rounder. The massive machine utilizes the double track in its operation and runs relatively smoothly through the field. The C360 can definitely be proud of its high productivity, compact structure, ease of operation, and high level of operating comfort. And this is the new generation fixed hammerstone crusher model. The robust and powerful machine incorporates a large diameter rotor with evenly distributed fixed 32 hammers. Thanks to these hammers, the stone crusher can crush stones up to 500 millimeters, and its hydraulic counterblade adjustment allows determining the required level of stone crushing. The practical spreader for ALKO lawnmower tractors is a universal helper in any garden. The SB60 can be connected to the tow bar of mini tractors and is used for spreading fertilizer, seed, lime, winter de-icing material, and fine gravel. Its wide pneumatic tires provide good driving characteristics even on uneven ground. The maximum speed that can be developed by such equipment is 5 kilometers per hour. The dosing lever allows you to accurately adjust the rate of application of material. By the way, the machine can be used all year round, both in summer and winter. In addition, it's perfectly suited for work on large areas. The Commander 1 moves through the field, using a series of blades and rollers to cut and lift the cabbage from the ground. The cabbage is then conveyed through the machine using a series of belts and chains, which transport it to the sorting and packing areas. Once the cabbage is harvested, it's sorted by the Commander 1 using a series of screens and rollers. This process removes any debris, such as dirt or rocks, from the cabbage, ensuring that only a high-quality product is sent in for packaging. The company, Richard Western, has released several of its trailers of different modifications. Here, for example, in front of you is a carrier trailer model SF18HS with a capacity of 18 tons, which saw the world in 2019. It can be used to transport Suffolk grain and silage with the option of the Transcover Agriframe cover system. This hydraulically driven system provides weatherproofing, durability, and full integration of the load. Trailer highlights include a commercial axle sprung drive, load sensing valve, air and hydraulic brakes, front window, hydraulic tailgate with closure, floating radial disc, and Alliance 88. Plus, now you can easily cover and secure loads of grain or silage for trouble-free transportation. The DC-70 Plus Combine, like the DC-93 model, is manufactured by the renowned Kubota company. This agricultural machine is equipped with an exceptional direct-injection diesel engine with an output of 70 horsepower. It can carry up to 300 kilograms of grain in the grain hopper. Thanks to its 85-liter fuel tank, this combine harvester can work for long periods of time without refueling. It harvests at high speed, covers a huge area, and ensures efficient harvesting. With a total weight of 3 tons, the machine is equipped with a 12-volt, 65-ampere-hour battery and a hydraulic speed shifting system. The combine can harvest crops such as rice, wheat, barley, soybeans, oats, etc. Do you still collect stones in the field manually? The agricultural stone picker can make collecting stones easier, faster, safer, and more professional. The machine is controlled by a 4-button pendant controller. 2 of the buttons control the picking function, and the other 2 control the hopper raising and lowering. It's also equipped with a swivel hitch that has 2 positions. This rock picker makes it easy to drive up to rocks, pick them up, and throw them into the rear wagon. The push-button hydraulics, the small size of the machine, and its productivity are also pleasing. The base of the picker is made of a durable mesh, which lets dirt pass through, leaving only stones in the box. This reduces the weight of the collected load and saves extra space for later collection. The Roller's Grader 8 is a versatile machine that can be used to sort and grade a wide range of fruits and vegetables, including broccoli. As the broccoli is fed into the machine, it's carried along by a series of rollers that are arranged in a spiral pattern. The smaller and lighter broccoli will fall through the gaps between the rollers, while the larger and heavier broccoli will continue along the rollers until it reaches the end of the machine. Durability and reliability under the toughest working conditions have made the Roland 520 series the best-selling hay baler in the world. The reinforced rollers, sophisticated chain lubrication system, and maximum pressure system, or MPS, in the tailgate ensure that this will continue to be the case. The proven Roland fixed baling chamber concept is constantly being improved and refined by the engineers. In the new generation machines, they've entirely changed the design. The new lines make it clear at a glance. One of the most powerful presses in the world is at work here. Whether twine or net, with the Roland 520, you get it right. The new net tying system is more reliable than ever and saves a lot of time. Tying is fully automatic and takes only a few seconds. The well-designed net feed guarantees a tight tie across the entire width, as well as a strong edge tie. The Bonatio motorized small fruit harvester is just perfect for olives, acorns, pistachios, and hazelnuts that have naturally fallen to the ground. No dust rises above the ground during harvesting, and speeds can reach 9 to 12 miles per hour. To maximize results, it's important to thoroughly prepare the soil, which must be cleaned, rolled, and mowed. With each pass of the motorized small fruit harvester, you'll be guaranteed a great harvest. Harvesting is done with small rubberized nails that grab the fruit without damaging it, and then transport it to the removable crate. Let's mention the RP200 from Morsil. It's a universal helper that combines 3 functions at once: picker, cleaner, and bale puller. This equipment is designed for continuous harvesting. It provides significant savings and better farm management. It's suitable for both almond and olive harvesting. The bales are harvested with bidirectional wheels and a receiving hopper to facilitate field work. The machine also features a high-capacity vegetable peeler and adapts to different types of crops. Rexer Model 6300 is the new generation of beet harvesters, which are available with 2 or 3 axles, with hoppers with a capacity of 30 meters cubed or 45 meters cubed. The main features of the machine are the new lifting unit, which allows a much better view of the chopper, the permanent cutter bars, the lifting device, the roller conveyor, and the new control unit with a CCI 1200 terminal with Grim digital interface. This technology truly creates a new dimension for harvesting beets, root chicory, and root celery. With the new uprooter, the SmartView digital video system, and the one-of-a-kind FM front-mounted front-end topper, the crop is treated with care and the driver's work is made easier. Ventrax's new model RV602 vacuum collection system is a professional's choice for all lawn care needs on commercial properties and home sites. Whether it's cleaning up fast-growing grass in the spring or cleaning up the fall leaves covering your yard, the vac system is the right choice for a quick job of taking care of your lawn. VPAC PHH Iceberg Lettuce is a high-performance packaging system designed for the processing and packaging of iceberg lettuce. The VPAC PHH system is designed to be highly efficient, with a capacity of up to 36 heads of lettuce per minute. The system uses a combination of advanced technology and precision engineering to sort, cut, and package the lettuce heads in a fast and efficient manner. The industrial method of garlic harvesting makes it possible to increase labor productivity several times, significantly reducing costs and harvesting time, while ensuring high-quality harvesting. The principle of operation of the T260B harvester from Asa Lift is extremely simple. It digs garlic with the stem out of the soil, strips the product from the soil residues, cuts off the bulb from the stem, and loads the cut heads onto the conveyor belt into a big bin. All moving parts of the combine are driven by hydraulic motors, and the depth of the knife is regulated only mechanically. All in all, a serious and indispensable thing. Holaris has developed its new harvester, which you are now seeing on your screens, and equipped it with their ideal technological solution for clean cutting of beet and maize to produce silage or finished forage for fresh daily feeding. The advantage of cutting is that the structure of the beets remains as intact as possible, thus ensuring low handling costs. Loading, transportation, cleaning, cutting, and dosing operations can be carried out in one pass. The machine also has a hydraulic safety valve, a set of different types of knives, and a 1.5 cubic meter hopper. Bendotti, a leading producer of high-quality avocados, has partnered with Tomra to integrate their cutting-edge technology into their avocado processing lines. With the Tomra integrated avocado solution, Bendotti can now achieve the highest standards of quality and efficiency in their avocado sorting and grading processes. Dipper Fox is a professional stump grinder that will please any user of heavy equipment. The machine drills perfectly through stumps and their roots, driving all the remains deep into the ground. Therefore, there is no more need for additional clearing of the logging site. And what's more, you no longer need to collect, transport, and dispose of the remains. Such a time and resource saver. Here it is, the new quarry dump truck from the popular company Dramis International. This powerful beast fully meets the requirements of truck operation conditions, and each of its elements has been designed to ensure the best performance, maximum reliability, and safety. The paper pot seedling machine in front of you is an elementary seedling machine developed in Japan. The system is excellent for small farms, as farmers can sow seeds into a paper chain pot and then transplant the plants into the soil effortlessly. This particular video shows you a very quick transplanting of spinach.
Additionally, please remember to share, like, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest uploads. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.